Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These will help you safely and effectively replace the charging port. First, power off your laptop and disconnect it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible, as this will prevent any electrical issues during the repair. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel of the laptop. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors as you do this. With the back panel removed, locate the charging port. It is typically situated near the edge of the laptop. Inspect the area for any visible damage or debris. If you notice any dust or dirt, use a soft brush or compressed air to clean the area thoroughly. This will ensure a better connection with the new port. Now you will need to disconnect the old charging port. Carefully detach any cables connected to it, taking note of their positions for reassembly. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you understand the issue better. Once the old port is disconnected, you can remove it from the laptop. This may involve unscrewing it from the motherboard. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove any screws holding the port in place. After removing the screws, gently lift the port out of its housing. Now, take your new charging port and align it with the mounting holes on the motherboard. Secure it in place with the screws you previously removed. Ensure that it is firmly attached and that there are no loose connections. Reconnect any cables that were detached earlier, ensuring they are seated properly. If you're unsure about the connections, refer to the laptop service manual or consider our collection and delivery at your home service, which can save you the hassle of traveling. Once everything is connected, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Place the back panel back onto the laptop and press down gently to ensure all clips are secured. Replace the screws you removed earlier, tightening them carefully to avoid stripping the threads. Before powering on the laptop, double-check that everything is in place and that there are no leftover screws or parts. If you're feeling uncertain about your repair, remember we provide a quote before repair, allowing you to make an informed decision. Finally, reconnect the battery and power on your laptop. Test the new charging port by plugging in the charger and ensuring that the laptop charges correctly. If everything works as expected, congratulations! You have successfully replaced the charging port on your HP 15BW025NS laptop. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance, as we offer no calls, no travel services to make your repair experience as smooth as possible. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.